Hi everybody, and welcome back to the biology video series. I'm Kieran, and if you've tuned into this episode, it means that you've just finished exam cycle A and you're ready to move on to cycle B. Let me start by saying well done. If you've followed this series up to this point, it means you've covered every single topic in your notes. You've developed ways to memorize them, and you've also learned the best ways to approach exam questions. You're now ahead of the majority of biology students, right in the state. Exam Cycle B is an extension of what you've already done. It's going to help you test your memory and identify which areas need more attention. Exam Cycle B involves you doing the next set of practice papers, now closed book, but still open time. This means that you're not going to have your notes in front of you when you do a paper, but you'll have as much time as you need to get through it. There's still no time pressure. As you've done in Exam Cycle A, you'll submit these papers to be marked by your teacher and use the feedback to fill out your bulletproof booklet, which you still need. There's also one more element I want to throw into week 4. As you get closer to exams, it's actually going to be really beneficial to create a biology study group. If you've already got one, great. If not, this is how you should run through it. Firstly, select 2 to 3 friends to join you. Then, between all of you, you agree on which past exam you're going to do in your own time. For example, you might say, you know what, let's do all the 2012 exam. You then meet and exchange exam papers with others in the group and you mark one other's exam. This is really useful for a couple of reasons. Firstly, it's going to allow you to see how other people answer exam questions, so you can get some good tips and ideas from them. It's also going to put you in the shoes of an examiner. And because you're mates, you'll mark each other harshly. Trust me, you do. Once you've marked each other's papers, which should take around 20 minutes, you can trade back and ask each other questions. Ask others in the group to justify why they took off marks in a certain area so you understand. This will encourage further discussion into biology, and it will likely force you to explain certain concepts to one another. This is really useful because it gets you to verbalize your knowledge and clarify exactly how you understand the information. It also helps consolidate memories because you're speaking, you're listening to others, and most likely drawing things out on paper, meaning that you're combining your visual, verbal, auditory, and kinesthetic systems all at once as to reinforce the memories. I've written out the action points below the video, but in short, your goal for this week is to complete Exam Cycle B for your practice papers and to meet with a study group to go through a past paper all together.